What's going on, YouTube? Back today with the update on the C4 project. Just doing a small upgrade today, replacing the stock fog lights with some LEDs. I purchased these off of Amazon. They're really inexpensive. They're like $14.99 before tax, and it's called Lude. I think they're like 900 lumens with like a projector lens in them on the tip. So they look like this, and they have this projector lens on the front. We're gonna see how they look after I get them installed, and I'll leave the link for them in the description. So I guess let's get to it and install these. Okay, so to install these, you kind of got to get underneath the car, and I mean, all you really need is a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a 7mm socket and a little pick tool. So pretty much all you need, and the bulbs. So let's go ahead and try if I can do this one-handed or not here. Not sure, but you'll look underneath the car and you'll see this panel right here, and it's got a 7mm bolt right there. So you just go ahead and undo that. Just unscrew the bolt. It shouldn't be very tight. Unscrew that, and you open this little door up, and you'll reach up in there, if I can find it. And you feel the bulb, and you'll turn it clockwise, and you pull it right on down. And that's what the stock bulb looks like. See if I can set this over here so we can, I have both hands to try to get the bulb off. And you just grab the bulb. Got these two tabs. You just pop them up and pull the bulb off like that. Set that to the side, and we'll grab a new LED bulb and we'll plug it in. And we'll reach back up in here, feel for the hole with your finger. Slide it in and twist it counterclockwise to lock it back in. And then reinstall your bolt. Snug it down. That's one side done. We'll slide on down and repeat the steps on the other side. Loosen your nut up, or your bolt, I'm sorry. Unscrew it, set it to the side. Reach up in here till you find your bulb. Twist it clockwise. Pull it out. Grab two tabs. We'll grab one side and open it, and pop it right out. Then we'll grab our other LED. Snap it in. Reach back up in the hole. Feel for the slot the bulb goes in. Maybe. Lock it into place and replace your 7mm bolt. Snug it down. And that's it. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Please like and subscribe. And like I said, I'll put the link for those bulbs in the description if anybody's interested in getting them. Thanks, and thanks for watching.